What's up, everybody? We got some Hawaiian Dutch here. Let's take a few rips. Whew, damn. Hell yeah, guys. Once again, Hawaiian Dutch by M Fused.